Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Flux 87HE. In this video I'll show you how to hot swap switches. To hot swap the switches, firstly prepare switch puller, which is included in the original package. Use this part of the switch puller to remove the keycap. And use the second part to remove the switch. Place it over the switch from the top and the bottom, squeeze it and gently pull it out. Now select other switch, place it back and push it in, and it's done. Don't forget to reinstall the keycap and it's set. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.